Hi, team. Hi, Gausha, ma'am. Hi,
Hello.
Jayalakshmi.
Hi.
A
Hi.
very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Good
Yeah.
morning.
So we hope you all are doing well.
Yeah.
So learners, like we just came here, as today we are observing like the end or the last session, what we could say. So we just came here to know like your overall experience and lastly like your feedback that truly matters for us. From the day one to till now, how was the exposure and in terms of upscaling yourself? If you guys can like just share your overall feel in the end of the part, so it will be like just seems better thing for us to know more about you. And in terms of like if anything else you guys are requiring, not this is the last we can say, but yeah, after this if any doubt and query sessions is required, so we will be like always happy to assist you guys. So we just wanted to know like how was like your overall journey in the hack now.
I'll go first. So, yeah, personally, I felt it was a good training sessions which I have come across, and Gaushia has been a very, trained us very well on the each concepts, and we were able to grasp it. And any doubts and any queries we had at any time, she was there to assist us in a best possible way. Yeah, so I'm thinking this was a good training session, and yeah, I hope this will be the best I can make out of it.
Perfect. So yeah, we wish you the success also because after this training, it will be for sure that you guys will be planning for your interviews and expecting a better job opportunities. So we truly hope this will help you in a more better way, and therefore you can get some more confidence this time while writing down the codes. And coming to upscaling yourself for the interview aspect, that also the again HackNow team will be taking care of. Might like in the mid of April or in the like 10th of April, we will be conducting it again. Okay.
Yeah, actually, I had that question. So, initial days they mentioned that they will be training us on all those things. So, how long those
Yeah, that
sessions will
ATS
be?
and yeah, the ATS resume and the interview part that we will be planning to conduct in the April part. After this training ends, in meantime, you guys can review the ebooks that the interview ebooks which we have the scenario based part, right? You can review those all mean the time, and by this April 10th or 15th, we will be conducting the workshop dedicated for this resume building and in step-by-step interview preparation. Okay, Jeff?
Okay, good.
And will there be a addition of those notes and ebooks?
Yes.
Because
See,
currently I feel like that we know the concepts, but it's kind of difficult to articulate in an interview scenario.
See, the scenario-based ebooks will help you better to portray the answer, like in both technical and theoretical manner, as we said about the call as well, when we had a phone interaction with you guys. So they will be telling you in that manner only. And the ebooks after this training, Nidhi and Shraddha will transfer some ebooks in your folder as well. Okay, respective. So you can have a look on them.
Okay.
Yes, that will be
Perfect.
helpful.
Yeah, because it's time to get started for the next
Yeah.
override journey for you guys. So we wish you all a good luck. Yeah, so Dhananjay, like we would like to know your feedback also for this entire JMP program, we say.
Yeah, I would say the overall experience was good. Gosia is a very good trainer. She resolved all our doubts, like whatever we came up with, and yeah, that's all.
Perfect. So one last question, like if you guys have to explain your entire journey in just one word, in the hack now and in terms of trainers training as well. So how you guys will be doing it? Like it's both for you.
Can you come up again?
No, I'm saying that if you guys have to portray your entire journey in just one word, so how you guys will be doing it?
I like to say good learning experience.
Perfect. Thank you, Jay. And then Anjay, what about you?
Uh, I don't know. I can't come up with a word. But
Oh, I think a good we can expect a little bit.
yeah,
Perfectly fine. Okay. Okay, then, so learners, yeah, that's all we want to know from your end. And apart from like, yeah, if any other things you guys would like to assist us, not only this training part, anything which you guys think that, yeah, you need some external brushing ups or external out of the box, what we say, the assistance, we will be always be happy to share you that. Okay. So feel free to ask us anytime.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, then. Thank you so much, Gausha ma'am, for your excellent
Thank
training
you.
as well. As we are,
Thank
yeah,
you.
having feedbacks from the candidate. So yeah, we will always like keep the Josh on high. And
Thank you.
a
Thank
very good success and a good luck, along with the best wishes to both of you guys as well.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
have a good day. Yeah, have a good day, love.